Hello everybody, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove suggestions on Messenger. So first of all guys, get into your Messenger app, and when you click on the search bar from over here, as you can see, we have this option suggestions. So guys, in order to remove those, first you need to make sure that your Messenger app is updated, and if it is not, go ahead and update it, and then get back to your Messenger and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. And make sure to scroll down until you find this option called Phone Contacts. Click on it, and then click on the first option, Upload Contacts. So now make sure that this option is off, because when you turn it on, you basically allow Messenger suggest more people from your contacts to you. And then after that, click on Manage Contacts from over here, and tap on Delete All Contacts. And all your contacts will be deleted. And yeah guys, by doing that, you will be able to remove suggestions on Messenger. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care until next time.